A bingo cache. Storage full error can stop the app from loading or saving data correctly, and the first fix is to check your device's available storage before reinstalling anything. By the end, you'll know how to free up storage safely on Android and iPhone, how to clear bingo cache's temporary files, and what to avoid if you want to protect access to your existing account. Start by checking how much free storage your phone actually has. On iPhone, open Settings, General. On Android, open Settings, or search Settings for Storage Indore. The exact menu name can vary by device. If your storage is nearly full, remove files you don't need. Large videos, downloaded movies, duplicate photos, old downloads, and unused apps are common places to recover space. After freeing storage, restart your phone and open Bingo Cache again. This gives the operating system a clean start and allows the app to try loading with the newly available space. If you're using Android, you can also clear Bingo Cache's temporary cache. Open Settings in Apps Bingo Cache, Storage, and Cache, then select a Clear Cache and Dutch. Clear cache before selecting Save Clear Storage in .eu. Cache fields are temporary, while clearing storage can remove locally stored app information and may require you to sign in again. On iPhone, iOS doesn't provide the same universal clear cache button for individual apps. If Bingo Cache continues showing a storage-related error after you've freed space and restarted the phone, check whether an app update is available in the App Store. Open the Yigi App Store, search for Bingo Cache, and install an available update. Also, check for a system update. On iPhone, use in Settings General P Software Update. On Android, open your phone's software update settings and install an available update, if appropriate. If Bingo Cache opens but your account appears different after troubleshooting, don't create a new account. Use the existing account login and confirm you're signing into the profile you normally use. Before uninstalling Bingo Cache, make sure you know the phone number and account information connected to your original account. Reinstalling the app can require you to sign in again. If you've freed storage, restarted the device, cleared the Android cache when applicable, and updated Bingo Cache but the storage error remains, take a screenshot of the exact message. Then contact Bingo Cache support and provide your device model, operating system version, available storage, Bingo Cache version, and the exact error shown. This information helps distinguish a genuine device storage problem from an app-specific issue. So the practical fix is to check storage first. Free up unnecessary files, restart the device, clear Bingo Cache's cache on Android, and update the app before considering a reinstall. Your next step is to open your phone's storage settings and check how much free space is available. If this fixed the Bingo Cache storage error, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 app troubleshooting guides.